Hey everybody, it's 2 minutes past 1 p.m. here in Brisbane on Thursday, the 29th of June, and I am out of the ring here with Euro Kiwi. So let me take you through the fight plan, the offense line, and the exit line. So I want to start with the area that we've been at just when I've done the video yesterday. So we were sitting right around here and we were expecting Australian CPI's number. And as it happened, the number came out a lot lower than expected, which pushed the Aussie dollar lower. And as its friend across the ditch, the Kiwi joined the party and was sold off as well. So you can see it's a big, strong break of my blue line. So I like that strong break. And as the numbers, the news were already known, it looked like the market has already picked a direction. So I was drilling into lower time frame to look for any signs for a potential offense line. So let's go into the 5 minutes. Now, on the 5 minutes here, if I'll zoom in, this is the candle that broke the level. This is the news candle. Now here we tried to push lower. There were a bit of sellers here trying to push the price lower, but they were met with a lot of buyers that kept on going higher. So I want to mark the high of this area through. This is the area where the sellers tried to take control. And as you can see here on this consolidation area, we have rejection, rejection, rejection. So there's a lot of price action here that basically says there are a lot of buyers still sitting here and the sellers cannot even come back into the area that they were strong before. So my offense started at the break of this high. Now, as for a defense line, it was further down. It was sitting around here underneath this consolidation area. Why? Because I have started my offense higher than the point that I originally wanted, because I wanted my offense line around this blue line. So just in case that the seller will have any sort of power to still be able to break this consolidation through and test my blue line, I decided to have a much more protected defense line and leave it around here. But as the market started to progress in that direction, I kept on moving my defense line to the next prominent swing higher low. So let's take a look. So the market is basically making higher highs and higher lows. Now, if we take a look at what happens here, this is that burst that we have. So this is a strong push higher toward that 1.8 level. So if you remember from yesterday's video, I was talking about that 1.8 as an area for a point win because it is a big round number. It could be offering a resistance to price. And as price already moved quite high, we can see it starts to struggle around that area. Big move on this market. So I was still looking to see if I can get my potential knockout, but keeping my defense line very, very tight. So currently my defense line is sitting around here. And as you can see, the market struggles around that 1.8, push the price lower and actually making on the 5 minutes lower highs and lower lows, but haven't been able to break this origin of the move that pushed to a higher high. So looking to stay, and we can see the price is starting to go higher again. And this is another telltale that we're starting to struggle around the 1.8. We couldn't go any higher and the price started to push lower. But then came another round of buyers, and this time push the price to a new higher high. So defense line is going underneath this area. Now, as the market kept on going, you can see it struggles around this area. So rejection, rejection, rejection. And this is a very strong telltale that the market is about to have a deeper pullback. We've got overextension on the mid time frame, so mid to higher time frame. We've got the 1.8 round number, so resistance line. And we keep on rejecting, rejecting, rejecting. We are unable for a long time to break through that 1.8. So if I was near my computer around this price action, I would have got out of the ring at this point in time, but I wasn't. So let's take a look at what happened. So again, another try, another push higher, complete rejection, and a small consolidation above this area, and down she goes. So I'm out of the ring with Euro Kiwi. It was a fun fight card. We had both the short side and the long side playing out. Now, since the higher time frame on this one still looking smashing, I will be looking for potential new fight cards on this market. So this is the weekly chart. We can see now it makes higher highs and higher lows. So I'm looking for potential new fights with this market, and I will update you as soon as I've decided to pick up a fight again with Euro Kiwi. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.